Starting January 1st, 2026, businesses with annual revenue between 1 million and 5 million MYR must issue e-invoices, with full implementation by July 1st, 2026. So for non-platform orders, how can I achieve quickly print invoice? BigSeller can help you. You can push sales order invoice directly to My Invoice system through BigSeller. Let's see how it works. First, you need to authorize My Invoice. Go to Settings, Store Authorization, and click Other Authorizations. Here you need to enter client secret and ID. In order to get these info, you need to log in Malaysia Tax Authority's My Tax portal. Click My Invoice, and in the home page, you select Manage Your Profile, Taxpayer Profile. Then choose ERP and click Register ERP. Enter BigSeller and authorization duration. After registration, you can copy client ID and secret. Then you enter these info in BigSeller. Next, you can manage invoicing information for your buyers. Find Customer List and click Edit. Here you can set invoicing information for each buyer. After that, you can push orders to My Invoice system. Go My Invoice, click Create Sales Invoice, and select order you want to push. Also, you can click to Edit Invoice. After that, you can save and push. If pushed successfully, you can directly print invoice in My Tax system. If you select several orders, you can choose Merge and Push. It's very simple, right? Try it now. Time saving and high efficiency.